In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix blog on your site, customize its settings and layout, and begin creating your first post. Let's dive right in with adding Wix Blog to your website. If your chosen template doesn't already include the Wix blog, you can easily add it. Just head over to your editor, or you can jump directly into the Wix app market. On the left side of your editor, you'll find the option to add apps, which will open up the Wix app market. In the search bar, type in Wix Blog, select the app, and then click Add to Site. That's how you get the Wix blog onto your site. Once you have the blog installed, the next step is to adjust the display settings. These settings allow you to tailor what your audience sees on your blog feed and post pages. You can decide on the information that pops up, choose if you'd like to have a menu, and even add those handy social share icons. To tweak these settings, click on the blog feed element found on your page, then hit Settings. From there, customize to your heart's content so that your blog looks just the way you want. Now, let's talk about changing the layout of your blog. The great thing about Wix is that it offers a variety of looks to fit the style of your site. You can select different layouts for the All Posts feed, which is the main feed where all your posts show up, and for the Categories feed, which organizes your posts by category. To make these changes, simply click on the blog feed element, go to Settings, and then navigate to the Layout tab. Here, you can experiment with different layouts and customize the available options to match your website's overall look. Moving on to customization of the design. This is where you can really bring your blog's aesthetics to life by personalizing colors, fonts, and button designs, both for your blog feed and your post page. To dive into these details, click on the blog feed element, choose Settings, and then the Design tab. Here you can play around with various design choices to give your blog its unique appearance. Once your blog looks the way you want, it's time to organize with post categories. Creating structured categories is crucial as your blog grows, making it easier for readers to find content they're interested in. Click the blog feed element again and head to Manage Posts. Over on the left, select the Categories tab and start creating categories to neatly organize your posts. Lastly, the moment we've all been waiting for, creating your first blog post. Whether you're accessing the editor through your site's dashboard or even directly through the live site, writing your first post is exciting. Remember that your blog comes pre-loaded with default content full of great tips. Be sure to delete these before you hit publish. To start writing, click on the blog feed element, go to Manage Posts, and then click Create New Post. With everything set up, you're ready to start sharing your voice with the world. Happy blogging!